Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you know what time it is. It's unboxing time. You know, whatsoever I order from China, I must come back here to show you. I must unbox it with you guys. So guys, in today's video I want us to unbox this package together. Guess what is inside? It's my daughter's educational tab, but this particular educational tab is so big. I have actually ordered tab for her before last year, and I think this is the third tab we're ordering from China for her. You know, children now, they always like breaking tabs. Actually, is this my small oga at the top right here? He's the one that broke this particular one. Anel, come. So your daddy got you a new tab. You like it? Are you happy? We should unbox it together, right? So this is the one we ordered for her before. It's a very strong tab, but it's small. It's 7 inches, but this our oga at the top is the one that broke it. But it's still working, but it's only the screen. Look at it. I just powered it on. It's only the screen that it's not touching. So our zaddy said we should order another one. We should order a bigger tab for our big mama here. So we are going to be unboxing it together. Then we are going to repair the screen of this one and give it to him. So this one officially belongs to you. So guys, let's start the unboxing. And I'll get up. Just sit down here. Are you excited? You excited about the tab? So let us start the unboxing. Unboxing. I'm coming. It's your tab, I know, right? Yeah.
That's for black and for blue.
Anna, sit down. Don't block the camera. There you go. Man, this tab it's big. No wonder it weigh 1.45 kg. I paid about 9,900 or something. Is it 10,000 plus? Yeah, I think I paid 10,000 plus for the shipping, and I bought it for almost 40,000 naira. Like the bind alone without shipping fees, 40,000, almost 40,000. So let us open it together. Okay. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Gently. This tab is expensive. Gently, oh. Wait, calm down. Be calming down. Wow. Wow. This is big. Whoa. Is this a tab? Oh my. Look at this. Wow. 10 inches. This is beautiful. So it came with some accessories, like from the picture we saw on their 1688 website. It came with some accessories. So wow, it came with keyboard, and wow, look at this.
I look at you.
See, it came with the pouch. This is the pouch, green pouch. And it came with stickers. stickers. Then Mike Anil, sit down, sit down.
Watch for me.
It came with watch. Wait now. It came with SIM card. Yes. Look at the SIM card. Pen. This is the charger adapter. This is the charger cord. Look at glasses.
Mommy.
Glasses, yeah. This is a toy, a car toy. Look at that.
Mommy.
Then it also came with this. I don't know what. I think they used to blow it. You blow it. Anne, blow it. Blow it. Come and blow it. Let me see. Come here. Blow it. Blow it like this. You blow. Oh. So it also came with this. I don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. It came with a Type C, Type C cord. Look at all the accessories. Look at all the accessories here. No wonder it's expensive. Like, this is not for, I'm not sure this is for children. I doubt it because it's big. So look at, it's even 3 cameras. See, 3 camera. This is the name of the tab. Yeah. So man, this is Anil, sit down. So let us put it together. I don't know which side I should put it to. Okay, I think it's any which way. I think it's like this. Okay. Yeah, there you go. This tab is big, like it's literally like adult tab. I'm not sure it's for kids, but we have gotten it already. But from the accessories though, we should know that it's for kids. Man, I'm unable to open this side, so maybe I'll find way around it. So let us power it. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. This is beautiful. God. It's powered on. Can you see that? It uses fingerprint. I don't know if you can see this, please. Using fingerprint. It's more like an iPad, right? So it got lots of apps.
Yeah.
Lots of apps. So kids ABC letters. And go and sit down. Can you see kids ABC letters? Let's play kids ABC letters. Like it. Wait, I'm showing. So let me see what they got here. Next step. Aneshito. Tap. Wait, Michael. So it's loading the A. Little A. So A. Little Michael, Anna, you are blocking. Little A. A. So guys, this tab is giving. See, let me show you the back again. Like this, the tab is. Look at it. Look at this is big. This is beautiful. So would you be getting this for your daughter or your son or your children? So guys, I hope you like this educational tab, and if you want to order it, just send me a DM and I'll help you to get it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And if you are interested in learning how to import from China, check my importation playlist to watch videos on how you can import different kinds of products, including this from China. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Check this out.
See. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. I can see your eyes. Shiny. The office. Better.
Good. Next. Click next. Click here for next.
B.
B.
Give me. This?
No, it's not correct. Good. Yes, no, up. That cough side now, cough side. See, like this. You see? Good, good.